Dashboards are powerful tools for visualizing data and gaining insights into various aspects of business performance. They provide interactive and intuitive interfaces for users to explore and analyze data. Here are the key components and features of SAC dashboards: interactive charts and graphs, smart insights, storytelling, predictive analysis, financial performance management, human resources analysis, sales and marketing analysis. Welcome to our walkthrough of the Overview and Engagement Trends dashboard, a centralized hub that captures the pulse of Twitter activity, engagement patterns, and audience sentiment across key conversations. This dashboard equips communication teams, analysts, and brand managers with real-time intelligence to understand reach, traction, and impact. We begin at the very top with 4 headline metrics that summarize overall activity. The total tweets stand at 11K, representing the total volume of posts created. Alongside this, the total retweets reach 253K, reflecting how widely the content is being amplified across audiences. Next, we see total likes at 993K, a clear measure of audience resonance and positive reception. Finally, total engagement clocks in at 5 million, combining all forms of interaction and serving as the ultimate indicator of audience connection. Moving below, we explore the tweet type distribution captured in a donut chart. Here we see a balanced split across original tweets, quotes, replies, and retweets. Originals contribute 25.64%, quotes 26.51%, replies 22.55%, and retweets 25.3%. This mix shows that conversations are not only being generated, but also actively reshaped, shared, and discussed by users. To the right, the Twitter handles by tweet count highlights the most active contributors driving these conversations. Handles such as Forbes, TechCrunch, CNBC, Gartner, and SAP News dominate with tweet counts ranging between 2.0K and 2.3K. This gives us clarity on which influencers and publishers are fueling the narrative. Next, we look at the most used hashtags, represented in a bar chart. The leading hashtags are clustered closely together, with usage counts ranging from 55 to 48. This indicates a strong but diverse set of trending themes, offering campaign managers a view into the most relevant topics worth tapping into. We then turn to tweet sentiment analysis, which divides conversations into positive, negative, and neutral categories. Negative sentiment leads at 33.77%, followed closely by positive sentiment at 31.21%, while neutral sentiment takes the remainder. This balanced distribution suggests a healthy conversation climate, with opportunities for communication teams to push sentiment further into the positive territory. Finally, the dashboard closes with the tweet count over time chart. This timeline reveals how activity evolved day by day, showing clear peaks where engagement surged, likely driven by specific announcements, trending topics, or influencer-driven conversations. It provides a valuable historical perspective, allowing teams to link spikes in volume to key events or campaigns, and helping them predict the best windows for future communication. In summary, this dashboard functions as a command center for digital engagement. It provides both the big picture, overall reach and traction, and the finer details, like sentiment trends, influencer activity, and time-based surges. Whether you're tracking brand reputation, planning campaigns, or measuring communication impact, the Overview and Engagement Trends dashboard equips you with the insights needed to steer online conversations with confidence. Next, page 2. Influencers and account-level insights. Who drives the buzz? Now let's shift from content to contributors. Here we see the top followed accounts, with one reaching up to 54 million followers. That's a potential amplifier you don't want to miss. Next, the most tweets by a single account, 2,000 posts. These are your power users, possibly advocates, employees, or partners. Then comes max retweets, 53,000 from single account. That's viral territory. Knowing who triggered that spike helps you understand and replicate viral behavior. And how about this? One tweet generated 10,000 engagements. That's not just a number. It's a blueprint for future success. Study its tone, timing, and format, then apply that formula forward. This page also gives you a leaderboard of top accounts by engagement, plus a regional breakdown of tweets by country. If India and the US dominate, you double down there. If France or Germany lag, localization might be the answer. Finally, you'll see the most engaging tweets table, your real-time highlight reel of what content truly performs. Now, we have page 3, hashtag and topic analysis. Speak the language that trends. This page is where words turn into waves of engagement. Hashtags aren't just metadata. They're the fuel for discoverability and community building. Here you can see the number of hashtags used, over 2,000, along with average engagement per tweet, 472 interactions. The co-occurring hashtags chart shows content clusters. If hashtag AI always pairs with hashtag innovation, you've got a ready-made topic bundle. The popular hashtags chart highlights what's trending, while hashtag impressions show how many eyes you're actually reaching. Then there's hashtag frequency. Use it to balance overused versus underutilized tags. And finally, the hashtag popularity score, 52%. This blends impressions, frequency, and engagement into one number, helping you prioritize the hashtags that really drive traction. In short, this page helps you speak your audience's language, identify hashtags that matter, and optimize your campaign themes with precision. And finally, the global view. This interactive geo map shows how sentiment around your brand is distributed worldwide. Darker shades reflect stronger positive sentiment, while lighter tones point to neutral or negative reactions. For example, Canada and Australia show strong positivity models you can replicate. Germany or France may lag, pointing to gaps in translation, tone, or cultural fit. Use this map to benchmark brand reputation by geography, identify regional risks, and tailor campaigns for maximum impact. It's not just about where tweets come from, it's about where your brand is truly connecting. And that's the Twitter analysis dashboard. From tweet counts to hashtags, influencers to global sentiment, this isn't just a dashboard. It's your control center for digital engagement. Because in the fast-moving world of social media, data isn't just measurement, it's momentum. It's not over yet. VASPP also allows the export of data from individual charts or entire dashboards from SAP Analytics Cloud, ensuring that your data insights are easily shareable and accessible to your intended audience. It is a useful feature for sharing insights and reports with stakeholders who may not have direct access to SAC. We can export into Excel, then show and extract table data into Excel, and finally, export the dashboard as a PDF. Models in SAC define how data is organized, stored, and processed, enabling users to build accurate and insightful reports and dashboards. They support a wide range of features, from data integration and preparation to advanced analytics and collaboration, enabling users to create comprehensive and insightful analytic solutions. They are flexible as we can add additional fields as per the customer's requirement. For further information on these dashboards, KPIs, or required features, please contact VASPP Technologies.